Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod here, and today I'm going to talk about, well, what do? You got your Conrad 30 waiver. You're working for 3 years, into the 3-year period, and then what do you do if things aren't working out and you need to change employers? Well, in that situation, you may be able to change employers to something. This waiver is called extenuating circumstances, H1B, where you change employers to someone where they're in a health professional shortage area as well, and it's based off of extenuating circumstances. So what is extenuating circumstances? You might be asking that. And that's a great question, because if you're in a Conrad 30 waiver, you still need to fulfill the requirements of the Conrad 30 program, because as you know, you have to serve 3 years in an underserved area. So in order to qualify for extenuating circumstances, the most common situation would be like if the facility closes. Another situation may be where we had a case approved where the families were separated. We had spouses in 2 different locations, and those would be considered personal circumstances that would qualify, and it is discretionary, so it depends on how well you're able to communicate those extenuating circumstances to the government to determine whether or not you qualify for an extenuating circumstances H1B. So this is not like a typical H1B change of employer. This is different. This is a higher standard, because when you are in the Conrad 30 program, you've committed for 3 years, and so now you need to meet this higher standard of fulfilling the Conrad 30 requirements. And there's basically stating, well, if you're not going to fulfill those requirements, then you need to show extenuating circumstances, work for another employer in a health professional shortage area, have a contract that shows you're going to meet up to the 3 years total time, and then possibly you may get your H1B visa approved and you can meet your 3-year requirement, because we do get a lot of calls where unfortunately things don't work out with the employer. So if that is you, give us a call. We can help you, 916-613-3553, or if we can't help you, we can tell you why. Have an awesome day, and we will talk to you next week. Thank you. Bye.